Ever wondered whether you could hop in a time machine and travel back to witness historical events, or to the future to see what's in store for us? Today we delve into the enigmatic concept of time travel. A staple of science fiction, time travel tantalizes us with the prospect of altering history or peeking into the future. It's a concept that has sparked our imagination and stirred debates among scientists and philosophers alike. So, is time travel merely a figment of our imagination, or could it actually be possible? To begin with, we need to understand what time is. In the simplest terms, time is the fourth dimension, alongside the three spatial dimensions we're familiar with: length, width, and height. Just like we move in space, we're also moving in time, constantly ticking forward. This idea is a cornerstone of Einstein's theory of relativity, which states that space and time are intertwined in a single continuum known as spacetime. But here's where it gets interesting. Einstein's theory also suggests that gravity, created by massive objects like planets or stars, can distort this spacetime fabric. Imagine a bowling ball sitting on a trampoline, creating a dip or well around it. This is similar to how a planet's gravity can bend the spacetime around it. This bending, or warping, can theoretically allow for shortcuts through time and space, creating possibilities for time travel. Now that we have a basic understanding of time, let's delve into the concept of time travel. There are several theories that suggest time travel could be possible. One of the most popular theories revolves around the concept of wormholes. Picture a wormhole as a tunnel with two ends, each at separate points in space-time. Theoretically, a wormhole could serve as a shortcut through the universe, allowing you to travel from point A to point B faster than light could in normal space. If one end of the wormhole is moving, then traversing it could also allow for travel into the past or future. Now let's talk about time dilation. This concept comes from Einstein's theory of relativity and suggests that time ticks slower the closer you are to a massive object or the faster you move. So theoretically, if you could travel near the speed of light in a spaceship, then time would pass more slowly for you on board than for someone stationary on Earth. When you return, you might find that while you've only aged a few years, decades have passed on Earth, effectively making you a time traveler to the future. Finally, there's the idea of cosmic strings, thin, dense strands of energy left over from the early universe. These strings, if they exist, are thought to warp space-time around them. If two such strings were to pass by each other, they might, in theory, form a loop of warped space-time that could allow for travel into the past or future. While these theories are interesting, they come with their own set of challenges and paradoxes. For instance, the creation and maintenance of a stable wormhole would require a form of matter with negative energy density, which we've yet to discover. Time dilation at near light speeds would require energy amounts currently beyond our reach. And cosmic strings, if they do exist, are likely incredibly rare and far away. Yet the allure of time travel continues to captivate us, reminding us that time, much like our understanding of it, is always in motion. Time travel is not without its paradoxes and conundrums. Let's dive into one of the most famous dilemmas, the grandfather paradox. Imagine if you were to travel back in time and, either intentionally or by accident, cause your grandfather's premature demise. This would mean your parent, and by extension you, could never have been born. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back in time to begin with? This brings us to the concept of time loops, a situation where cause and effect become so interwoven it's impossible to say which is which. You've likely seen this in movies where the protagonist is stuck in a cycle, repeating the same events over and over. Now, the multiverse theory offers a potential solution to these paradoxes. It suggests that each decision creates a new universe. So, if you were to change the past, it would simply create a new timeline, a new universe. Time travel, while fascinating, is fraught with complexities and unanswered questions. So, is time travel possible? The jury is still out. We've delved into the fascinating world of time, explored the theories around time travel, and even navigated the perplexing paradoxes. Yet, the concept remains shrouded in mystery. But isn't that what makes it so captivating? Today's limitations are tomorrow's challenges, pushing us to continually expand our understanding. Until science unravels the mysteries of time travel, we can only speculate and dream. If you found this video interesting, please share and subscribe to our channel.